Why are some of the words in bold?
It says in paragraph 3, the stars make it difficult to view the planet from Earth.
What is the formula?
I don't know.
The formula is base times height.
It starts with an S. They're blank on each thing. It starts with an S. Still correct.
Sides?
So when it says when it says to distribute the 8 and the 2 numbers, then you probably need to, because like the distributive property uses parentheses. So
would you subtract, add, divide, or multiply to find it?
I would subtract.
Correct. You would subtract the known angle from the total.
Teach back to me to things you'll learn about polygons.
Polygons don't have like any open spots, and they're 2D.
Yep. I wish we had purely learning cards.
No, those are so entertaining and fun.
Hey, I have a set.
Yay! I love purely learning cards. Can I join?
Sure.
Thank you.